Hey guys, Chris from Monstrum, and today we have a new flashlight called the Stingray. Comes in two variants. This one features two LED bulbs with a max output of 1,500 lumens. Let's take a look, huh? This is on at max output. Both LEDs are turned on, and if you press the cycle button up here, it'll switch between LEDs. Let's take a look. All right, that's the right bulb only. With one bulb on, the max output is 750 lumens. Take a look at the left one. All right, and let's go back to both. And the Stingray comes in two modes, high and low. Let's go to low mode, at 1,000 lumens. And then you can switch back and forth again, left and right. Right. And left. And you could also strobe this flashlight too. When it's off, you just press the button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And you got strobe. Let's take a look at the other variation, Now we got the other variation on. This one features one LED for 1,000 lumens and a class 3 green laser. All right, this one doesn't go down anymore, just one setting. And you cycle between that and this laser. It's extremely bright. Let's go to a bay where there's a little more light to see how that performs, And that's basically it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.